Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo Mail. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome to log in your Yahoo account. So kahit anong browser yung gamitin mo sa pag-login ay okay lang. And ang next step, so open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then kailangan lang natin mag-sign in, okay? So dito sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung sign in. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so kailangan mo lang natin i-enter yung password. So click lang natin yan. And then ang susunod, i-click tong next. So once nakapag-login ka na, so ganito yung makikita mo. And dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung Yahoo Mail inbox. So click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa Yahoo Mail sa ating inbox. So kung paano ba natin i-delete yung all unread emails. So dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung find messages, documents, photos, or people. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung unread. Alright? So i-type mo lang yan and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo lahat dito yung mga unread emails natin. So, ang next step, so makikita mo dito yung box, dito lang, so i-click mo lang yan. And automatic mga kaibigan na makakaselect siya ng 25 conversations na pwede nating i-delete. Okay, so once na-select mo na yan, and then dito lang sa gitna ay makita mo dito yung delete, so click mo lang yan. And wait natin. Okay, so 25 conversations deleted. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo Mail accounts. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.